against a team like Illingworth, who are supposedly a strong side, it's really good. It shows our character and how we are as a team. It just shows how well worked our team can be. You know, anything can happen in a game of rugby, and to go out there and do what we did today, it's indescribable, really. Everyone just, I've lost words really, because it was a brilliant game. Everyone in changing rooms have been saying that they love the game, love playing it, and it's brilliant.
It means, sadly, and I don't mean to be detrimental towards the result in the game, it actually means nothing, because we've got to do it again against a very good team on Thursday. Birkinshaw are, of course, aiming for the same heights as we are. We have to remain grounded. We have to take this as a thank you very much, and we'll bank that, but we've got to move on. It is a definite team effort, and that's not team just on the field, it's team off the field as well, that are trying to take Mirfield Stags forward. We can only do that if we remain resolute at what we're trying to achieve, and that is to develop the youth, develop the players that we've got, and if we can continue that, then we're going to be in a really, really good place. That doesn't mean we're going to be winning trophies every year. It means that we're going to have some longevity, something that people can look at and say, actually there's a club going places. The curve, the development curve may start to flatten, but as long as we keep going forward and moving the company in the right direction, then it's development.